We're looking live at Atlantic City, New Jersey. We're looking along the coast. We're watching up and down the East Coast for the threat of coastal flooding. But, Brian, as you pointed out, in some of the areas on the other side of Atlantic City that could see the more significant impacts.
Yeah, once that water gets pushed in an inlet into the sounds or the bays on the backside of Atlantic City, Wildwood, Ocean City, and down up to Long Beach Island, that water kind of gets trapped in there, right? And especially when you have the wind blowing off the ocean, right? The tide wants to run out, it can't run out. So that's where you often get flooding on the west side. Also, those islands tend to go downhill that way. And then we're going down on the tide.
Okay, so there's some good news.
At least we're going down on the tide. Now, there's where we peaked. It's after 1 o'clock. And now we're on the downswing on the tide. We get a high tide overnight. And look, the high tide tomorrow is just about the same. And that's the line there. That is the height of normally dry land. So we're talking in the Atlantic City area about 2 feet above normally dry land for the high tide coming up midday tomorrow.
Right, so something that the people in those areas, we've heard from people who have stayed around to, just kind of watch things, and I anticipate folks in this area will want to hang out a little longer.
It's coming back, right? So then what this means here, these numbers here, this takes into account the push of the water by the wind. Okay, the blue here is just the normal tide. That's the normal tide. But then you get that extra amount of surge there pushed by the wind off of the shore. All right, down the coast, Chesapeake Bay, same deal. There's the line for normally dry land. Look how high the tide is tomorrow. So this was a very low one today. Tomorrow, it's more than a foot higher because the wind is
the wind's going to be offering up that extra push. So, it's something that Mike Seidel, he's been down around Virginia Beach. He's kind of been warning people that with the winds bumping up, he anticipates, and we're going to see these tides be higher.
Right, so this is the big concern there tomorrow. Look, it'll slowly go down.